Okay, take 28. All right, so I am about to migrate the X1 Carbon over to this table, and I have another one of these sitting in the laundry room that I'm going to migrate this CR10S5 over to. I got these tables originally because I wanted to upgrade my laundry room space because it's just a bunch of old furniture that my ex left behind, and I kind of don't have a use for it. So I'm going to get rid of all that crap, and I was going to replace it with these tables, and I was like, wait a minute. I don't really need these tables to be mobile, and these are about the same form factor as the tables I already have. Why don't I take these rigid tables, which are perfect for folding clothes and storing sheets and stuff, and stick these in the laundry room and move all the stuff from them onto these rolling tables that I can collapse when I no longer need. And the rolling table means that I can get to the back side of the X1 Carbon and I can get around the CR10S5 when I need to do maintenance and clear jams and fix things and check on prints and stuff. So that'll be great. So that's what I'm going to do. I already have the X-Tool P2 sitting on one of these, and it is great. I love it. It collapses up the middle. It's $176 for these tables. They have a 600-pound weight capacity, particle board top, so it's easy to fix and replace whenever you damage it. The wheels stay in place when the whole thing is collapsed, and it has a latch to hold itself upright. And then you can just park it in the laundry room or the pantry or the closet somewhere if you don't need it. And whenever you need to unfold it, you literally just pop the latch, and the whole thing goes from being vertical to dropping down. Unfolds. Again, the wheels stay in place. You don't have to worry about it falling over, although you may want to hold the middle as it collapses down into its flattened form. But it'll make it great for me to be able to get to the back of the X1 Carbon when I need to fix the PTFE tube or mess with the AMS or deal with the poop chute or any of the things that go on behind the X1 Carbon. I don't know why 3D printer manufacturers think that we want that stuff back there. We really don't. I really wish they would move that stuff forward, kind of like other printers, but, every printer has its quirks. Anyway, this is David at Everlasting Media. If there's anything I can do to improve my content, please let me know. I know the mic quality isn't so great this time around. The Hollyland Lark C1 the wireless mic, the mic's batteries died. One of them is very bad. It only lasts 5 to 10 minutes, and it's unpredictable when it's going to die. The other one, it just, at any point between 10 minutes and 4 hours, it might just cut out for no reason, and you won't even know. There's no indicator except for the lights on it, which you can't see because it's pinned to your chest or somewhere where your vocals actually sound good. So I'd have to have a mirror up to even know that it's dying on me. In any case, that's what I got going on right now, guys. I'm sorry about the mic, but if there's anything else I can do to improve my content, please let me know. You can't hurt my feelings. You can only hurt my time. Again, this is David at Everlasting Media, and I hope you guys have a great morning.